Hello there, this is Abigail from ACI Designs and Home. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, feel free to subscribe after you've seen what content is here, right? You want to be hasty to credit, that's fine. So in my previous video, I showed you lovely ladies how to do a granny square changing the colors, okay? Now in this one I'm just going to show you how to create a border around it, okay? So I'm gonna count how many squares I've got, not squares, sorry, how many clusters. I'm gonna call them clusters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20. Alright, cool, 20. Okay, I've got an idea. I'm going to use the black just to make it stand out even more. So you want to make sure, for those of you that don't know, you want to wrap the yarn around your finger, bring it over the first loop and then the second loop over your finger like so. Insert the hook, pull it behind your finger, behind the index finger, in between the thumb and the index finger, and there you have it. Okay, make sure your middle finger and thumb is holding the knot. Okay, now whoops, I'm gonna put it in the center. I'm gonna pull that through. Oops, why is it doing that? Right, I'm going to pull it through and I'm going to start right at this corner, okay? Actually, I want to start right in the other side of the corner. Okay, now chain 2. No, chain 1, sorry, okay? Insert, you want to do a single crochet, yarn over and pull through 2, okay? Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you want to do another single crochet, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay. Let me see. In fact, take those 2 out. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all 3. This is a half double crochet, okay? Because you're pulling through all 3. Yarn over, now you're going to do a double crochet. Insert, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over again, insert, yarn over, pull through all 3. Then just do a single crochet. So it's single crochet, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and single crochet. Alright, now you want to go into the second, what is this again? I forgot the name. Double crochet. Insert, yarn over and do single crochet. Do that into the next stitch as well. Now what you want to do, you want to go inside the chain space, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, go back into the chain space, the space here, sorry, yarn over, pull through, and then pull through the chain. Insert into the second double crochet and create a single crochet. Okay, do the same to the next one. Insert, do a double crochet, single crochet. Again, single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Insert again, yarn over, and then pull straight through. Repeat that. 1 double crochet, next chain, 2 double crochet. In the space, 3 double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Insert, yarn over, pull through, 1 single crochet in the next double crochet, another one in the next double crochet in the space, single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, insert, yarn over, pull through again. So can you see what's happening? Okay, we are creating a border. Okay, now you want to what was I gonna say? I keep forgetting. Double crochet. Insert again, double crochet. Single crochet, sorry. So that's single crochet into the 2 double crochet stitches. Now into the space, single crochet, half double crochet, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through. You're going to do a double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You want to do another half double crochet, insert, yarn over, yarn over, pull through all 3. Single crochet now, single crochet, yarn over, pull through. Okay, can you see what we are doing? Now in the next 2 double crochets you want to do a single crochet, so you're just going to be repeating this all the way around. Okay, you see how it creates like a little, what do you call it, like a little, I don't know what you call this, it's just an edging, it's a border. 3 single crochets, 3 chains, insert and do a slip stitch, 3 single crochets again, 3 chains, just make sure you can all see, insert and create a slip stitch, 3 single crochets again. You don't understand. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, insert and create a slip stitch. Now once you get to the corner and you've done your first single crochet, remember it's a half double crochet, so yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through all 3, yarn over, insert, yarn over again, pull through 2, that's your double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, half double crochet now, insert, yarn over, pull through, that is your single crochet. Now 3 single crochets again, 3 chains, insert and create a slip stitch and repeat all the way around. So I shall see y'all at the end. Okay, when you get straight to the end, you will have your first single crochet. What you want to do is slip stitch into it, okay? You want to do a slip stitch right into the single crochet, and then, why did that have to happen, huh? Then pull through, cut that off, pull through, and then you weave it in. So there you have it. That is a border, okay? Looks very pretty. And now you've got a border on your granny square. Very cute. I love it. Now, just look at how cute that is. Oh my god. Just look at how cute that is. Yeah, very cute. Wonderful. So if you enjoyed this video and you would like some more content, feel free to comment down below. Let me know what you would like me to do next. I'm probably going to be doing some more videos on granny squares, so that you can all just see the beauty of granny squares, and from there we'll see what we do next. But feel free to make requests, okay? I don't know if you noticed, in between all of the corners, you've got 4, I don't know what to call these, 4 humps, 4 picot, that's the name of it. Perfect. It's called picot, that's what we call it in crochet, picots. So we've got 4 in between. And then we've got 4 corners. Beautiful! Haha. Anyway, bye, willing hands.